Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily remove a Ford Fiesta headlight. This process is straightforward and can be completed with just a few common tools. You will primarily need a socket wrench with a 10mm socket and possibly a flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is completely off before beginning any work. Let's get started with the first step. First, open your Ford Fiesta's hood to gain full access to the headlight assembly. You will immediately see two main retaining bolts positioned on the top of the headlight unit. These are usually 10mm bolts. Carefully loosen and remove both of these. Depending on your specific model, there might be an additional bolt or a plastic clip located closer to the fender, so check thoroughly. Once the retaining bolts are removed, gently pull the entire headlight unit forward. This action creates enough space to access the electrical connections at the back. Carefully disconnect all electrical connectors by pressing their respective release tabs and pulling them apart. If your Fiesta has headlight washers, you will also need to detach the small washer fluid hose from the unit. Now, the headlight is ready to be fully removed. Reinstalling your Ford Fiesta headlight is simply the reverse of the removal process. Ensure all electrical connectors are firmly reattached and the washer fluid hose, if applicable, is secure. Carefully slide the headlight unit back into its position, making sure it aligns perfectly. Then, reinsert and tighten all the retaining bolts. Finally, always test your headlights, turn signals, and high beams to confirm everything is working correctly before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.